So this morning's job is a 2 Series BMW. It's in for the Can Immobiliser. Customer just got the car. Last car was stolen, so wanted to get this one secured. In the pack, you get emergency overrides, our contact details. We also give you a free battery and a little screwdriver, as well as a free tag, leather case and Faraday bag. So you got everything you need is in this pack. So this one has got 2 forms of mobilisation. It's got gearbox lock and an engine kill. Let me just give you a quick demo of this in action. So the vehicle will start and run. First layer is you cannot select gear. Secondary layer is if you try to hack it, hold it in gear, it shuts the engine down. So secondary layers, 2 things going on. You can start it again. And obviously now we must either show it the tag or enter our code. So I'll just enter the customer's demo code. We'll get a flash of the main beam. Enter the customer's code, flash of the main beam, and away we go. And this one as well, it doesn't block until we open the driver's door. So if you switch off and you're sitting in the drive-through or anything, you don't exit the vehicle, you can just start the vehicle, drive off again, quick getaway, back in drive. And then when you switch off, if you open the door, when you get out the vehicle, then you're protected and armed. Much more convenience. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Lit Car Security, 0333 012 9028.